First, we make sure we are at the home screen. Then we press Settings. Click on Vehicle. Slide down. Press on Maintenance Info. After that, select Reset Items. Click on Engine Oil. Now it's asking, would you like to reset maintenance information? In my case, I already did the reset. That is the reason why oil life shows 100% right at the screen. But in your case, it should be a lesser percentage number for oil life and you should press Reset. And now you see at the bottom, maintenance information has been reset. Once you're done from that part, now on the steering wheel, press that button right there. Then we will press the button on the left side and then toggle down all the way till the right. Once you see the sign of wrench, just press enter. And there it shows the oil life is 100%. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.